We got a bunch of bait jumping in here. I think we're gonna start fishing. We're gonna start fishing. With this little top water spoon with the UV blast on it. Low light visibility right now. Let's give this a few casts. See if anything will play. Ooh. Something's chasing some fish over there. There we go. There we go. There's one. There we go. There we go. Little Holly. Little halibut. Little halibut. Alright, there it is. Little Hallie on the sprayed jerkbait with that UV blast on it. Alright, done. I'm not messing with you anymore. But there it is on the hand sprayed 4.5-inch jerkbait with that CS Coatings UV blast on it. Whether that's why it bit, who knows, we'll never know. But you. Alright, let's get back to fishing. Got little Hallie. Oh, there's one. There's one. There we go. There we go. Oh, did it come off? Or is it swimming at me? Nope, it's on. Got a little spotty. Little spotty. Look at that, 2 casts in a row. All right, well, might as well go with it. Yeah, the UV blast finish on this is working. Why not? Why not say it's working? I hate tribbles. I hate tribbles. One. 2, 3. All right, got it. That was easy enough. All right, looks like it's working. Let's get this little dude out. Come here. Come here, little buddy. I know you don't want to. I know you don't want to. Come here. Not a bad little fish. Probably about 10 inches. Get him back out in the water. In a row? Let's see. No, not 3 in a row. But, heck yeah. Somehow I knew they're gonna be hanging out in here. Had a hunch. Oh, there's one. Oh, did it come off? Oh, that freaking ripped it out of my hand. Oh, man, that was a good hit. That was a good hit. That was a solid hit. Oh well, keep casting. Deeper. Let's see what gives. Come on. A little bit of flavor, why not? Let's get down a little bit. Let's get down a little bit. All right. Didn't take long. Get in the grass. Oh, there's it. It's on? It's on. Yeah, got one. It's on. Come on, stay pinned, stay pinned, stay pinned. Phew, there we go. There's a fight now. There it is. There it is. It's on. Nice one. Didn't want to fight there for a little bit. There we go. There we go. You. 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 There it is. Thank you for unpinning yourself. Chrome red Nova Stone Jighead paint, glitter paint, and 3.5-inch ripper. And I got new hooks. These are actually longer hooks. These are I think Eagle Claw 4-aught. Or no, I don't remember. I'll put them in the description. But much larger hook, extends farther down the tail. Better hookup ratio. Let's get this little dude back in the water. God, their spines are sharp though. Teeth too. Come on, buddy. I don't want to put my hands in your gills, but all right, we'll get you out this room. There we go. Laters. All righty. It is on to this morning. Let's do it again. That was the most subtle bite on a swim bait ever. Felt like grass, but then it started pulling. Is that all right? That was a good size fish too. Probably about 14-inch. Let's see. We on? Yep, we're on. All right. We on. We're on. We're on. Hallie. Hallie, Hallie, Hallie. Hallie. Jeez. There we go. Hallie number 2 for the day. On the rig. Calm down. Calm down. A little bit bigger than the first one. All right. Heck of a morning. Heck of a morning so far. choked on this thing. There's one. There we go. Got it. Get that out of here. Alright. Nice little guy. Probably 15, 16 inch. Alright, little dude. Woo! Right. Getting it done this morning. Woo! Alright, there it is again. 3-inch ripper. That one was on the red 1/4 ounce Nova Stone Chrome Red glitter, double dazzle glitter powder paint on the 4-arm rig. Woo! See if we can do it again. It's getting hot.